Hey, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to show you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring you more business. Now I'm at your website right now, and I've copied your URL into a third-party SEO scanner. I use RankDaddy for this. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at your main heading tags, because that's what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for, because that's all about rankings with Google, and you know that probably already. So the heading tags are your title tag, your metadata tag, and your H1 and H2 tags. Your title tag is good. It looks really good. Wood fencing in Bakersfield gets the keywords in there, gets the town in there. Unfortunately, this is why you are not on page 1. You have no meta description. Meta description is one of the things Google uses to rank. Also, you're missing your H1 and H2 header tags. And these are the keywords that should be in there to rank you. I don't know about you, but I usually pick the first 3 companies on page 1 and get bids from them. So if we can move you from page 2 to page 1, you're going to get a lot more business. I don't know if you're in a position to use more business right now, but we can definitely get you there. Now let's see exactly where you're ranking on Google right now. So I use SERPtrack for this. You can as well. You can get a free 30-day subscription to serptrack.io. So as you can see, I put your URL in here, and these are the keywords that we looked up: Bakersfield fencing contractor, fencing company, and fencing repair. And you're all on page 2 for that. We can get you to page 1. It's what we do. It's why I'm reaching out to you today. We can fix your website and get you more business. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. Mike Brady, 559-691-0320, or just respond to the email. Thank you so much.